Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Aqua ecosystem token. This token just got listed today on a central exchange. Ticker symbol is AQUE. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account, it's real easy. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token here, the Aqua ecosystem token, just got listed on a central exchange called Hotbit. As of this morning, 7 a.m. UTC time, January 28th, this token is now available for deposits and trading. So ticker symbol is AQUE. So how you'd get this token, first of all, if you don't have a Hotbit account, I do have a Hotbit referral code. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Hotbit referral code down there in the description box, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search AQUE, which is the ticker, and then you'd simply just buy the token. It is that easy. The cool thing about Hotbit is there's lots of different ways to invest tokens on Hotbit by putting them into 5 farm pools, lockups, stake them, all sorts of different ways that you can earn really high APY, annual percentage yield, on a lot of different tokens. So check out that Hotbit referral code. That's where you can get this token as of today. So this is a Binance Smart Chain token. You can find their BSC scan listed on the Hotbit announcement. It says they have 18 decimal places on this token and a total supply of 7 billion tokens. So Aqua ecosystem modernizes and optimizes the fish product industry with blockchain technology. Aqua ecosystem merges fish processing and production with blockchain technology to simplify operations, increase profitability, and offer you a unique opportunity you won't find anywhere else. We combine modern technologies to bring the fish processing industry into the 21st century. There's overfishing in the planet, so I don't know if I, personally would want to support this token and, all the problems with the environment to help pull more fish out of the ocean. That seems like a bad idea to me, but, whatevs. To each his own. You guys can make your own decisions. So, Aqua ecosystem invests a wide range of seafood and water industry related businesses. Aqua ecosystem is meant to act as a vehicle for the seafood and water industries. Our approach focuses on market stakeholders who meet certain criteria. The entirety of the Aqua ecosystem portfolio will be designed to bring together stakeholders for processing, vessels, and companies. Our development strategy involves the participation of managers and scientists, as well as experts, conservationists, and representatives of other industries. So they have within the Aqua ecosystem investment classes, they have the distributors, the facilities, the startups, and the certifiers. So they also have the Aqua ecosystem portfolio, the businesses in which Aqua ecosystem invests, Aqua ecosystem tokens, the core discount of utility tokens that power the Aqua ecosystem, which is the BEP20 token standard, and Aqua ecosystem portal that will provide a portal for staking participants. The portal will be a centralized system built on technologies like PHP, Python, and others. So I do not see, by the way, a full audit on this token. This is a Korean token. It's kind of like there's been some tokens in the past that have been criticized for being sketchy on Hotbit, and this seems to be kind of similar format. Now, I don't want to make any claims, of course, because I have no idea who actually made this token or whatever. I mean, the idea to me is kind of dumb to begin with, to be supporting overfishing in the ocean using blockchain. That just is incredibly dumb to me. But also, like, I don't see a full audit. I don't see KYC, Seifu badge, any of the good things that you would want. A team doxed. It's just kind of vague information on their webpage and white paper. So I would definitely take this token with 100 grains of salt over here. So yeah, it's all about sustainable fish processing facilities. They're talking about selling renewable energy back to the Estonian grid operators. In the future, we could sell our excess energy generating using renewable energy methods directly to consumers through smart contracts. So it looks, I just remembered some of the tokens. So it kind of looks similar to ones that were about drones. There were some drone tokens that were kind of sketchy, and I don't even think they exist anymore. And yeah, there's certain tokens that were only put on Hotbit, like they didn't have a pancake swap pool. This one doesn't look like it has a pancake swap pool either. Yeah, and then eventually they just die. So, like, again, I can't tell you for sure that this is made by the same people. It's just I've reviewed a lot of these papers and they look very similar, right? So that's all I could say. I'm not telling you whether to get it or not get it. I am telling you that the idea of this token is a dumb idea, in my opinion. But yeah, so there's going to be staking pool, it says. And again, these things, these tokens like this about fishing or drones or whatever it may be, they don't actually have any product right now. Like, they don't have these giant fishery things. They don't have these giant drone things. They don't have any of these things that they're saying that they're going to get in the future. They just have promises, right? So just be aware of that as well, right? I'm definitely pooping on this token here. Even though I generally don't give my opinion on tokens, but the idea of this one is dumb, and the page looks sketchy. I mean, and there might be some haters in the comments, and that's just what happens when you hate on tokens. Hopefully, everything works out for you if you did invest in this token. I'm not trying to sway anybody left or right, but yeah. So the roadmap on here, it says project team composition, launch and the website, publish white paper, list on exchange. Then they're going to start development of their ecosystem. And then they're saying in Q2, they're going to have ecosystem completed. Now, mark my words, in the future, come back in Q2, which is, April-ish? May-ish, April-ish? Come back and see if this token still exists. Now, I would be willing to wager it won't even exist, and there will be no completion of any ecosystem constructed. But that's just my guess, okay? I cannot say for sure again. And yeah, so it's the token split up between ecosystem team, advisors, early partners, liquidity, and marketing. Now also, like, is liquidity locked? Like, they don't have that, you know what I mean? They really have nothing. They have, for socials, let's click on a social and see what's going on here. So they have a Facebook, LinkedIn, the Telegram. They don't even have a Twitter, right? They don't even have a Twitter going on. Now their Telegram only has 47 followers. Let's click on the Facebook, see if it even opens. Facebook doesn't even work when you click on it. And they have a LinkedIn here. Let's see if that works. And their LinkedIn doesn't work either. So yeah, they just have one Telegram. I would definitely take this one with the greatest salt. But you guys let me know in the comments, what do you guys think about this token? Like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.